Every year, millions of dollars are spent on anti-aging products. But not everyone sees the results they're looking for. Not only is this new breakthrough science not a gimmick, but it works. Lifewave's proprietary phototherapy stimulates the cells of your body and helps to restore it to its youthful state. Customer testimonial from Rod Edwards. The Lifewave X39 patch has saved my life in so many ways. I am living pain-free, my muscles and joints are more flexible. I am more active and have started losing weight. Take your first step toward a more youthful future with Lifewave X39. Download your free report on stem cell activation today. Click the link in the description. Now don't wait. People are aging, but not getting healthier. It's a fact. But there is new hope for better wellness, better longevity, and a better quality of life. Today we offer you a solution unlike any other on the market. Our range of Lifewave products. Utilize phototherapy to help you and your loved ones lead healthier, more active lives. Click the link in the description. Now don't wait.